Hi, I'm Emily, the creator of Knots Merry Yarn. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the ear tufts for this adorable owl. You can get this pattern along with all the other tiny flock friends in a pattern bundle on my Etsy and Knots Merry Yarn. You'll get a penguin, a duck, an eagle, a mallard duck, and you'll also receive the owl that you are learning about the ear tufts today. The pattern PDF will show you how to create this look, but this video is created to give you visual guidance along with the written instructions. To get started, you're going to need a long piece of yarn, about 1 yard in length. I like to have a little extra yarn to work with. I suggest choosing a yarn that's similar to the plushie you are adding to, and so that it blends nicely. Today I'm using Premier's Plush size 6. We're going to start by placing our needle in the upper corner of the owl's eyes. You will work from the top corner, working in a down angle about 3 stitches wide, but when you go in a down angle, it's about 1 stitch or a round difference. So that's where you get that slight curve. I'm using a brighter color today just so you can clearly see the contrast. I would be using that same color as the head of the owl, that gray, but I wanted you to be able to clearly see how to make this with this color. You're going to be repeating this process of going in and out, weaving in and out about 4 or 5 times. As you can see, when I'm weaving in and out, I'm also placing my finger and kind of adjusting the yarn so that it lays exactly in the place I want it to. And it kind of gives me that tufted ear look, as you can see. So I'm manipulating it quite a bit here and there just to make sure that I get the look I'm going for. So here I'm about ready to go to the other side, so I'm using my needle to kind of make sure that it's symmetrical. So let's see how this looks. All right, I'm going to give that last bit on that side a little squeeze. All right, and I'm checking to see that everything's lining up correctly, and I'm going to go back to being upside down, and I'm going to go about 1 stitch higher in length, but 3 stitches wide. Really want to keep it the same as the other side. You might want to turn your project over again just to make sure that it's lining up and symmetrical like I had mentioned. So I'm going to do that again, where I'm going weaving in and out 3 to 4 times. 4 to 5 is probably best if you want to get that thicker look. When I know I'm done, I'm going to go back through one last time, and then I will go to the end and meet back at my starting yarn tail. And from there, I'll just secure it and then hide that yarn tail. And then I want to make adjustments to those tufts just to make sure that they're laying nicely and that they look good. I like to even pull them up just a little bit to get that sharper look. So it's all up to you. This is your own project. So I'm going to cut this and tie it up and then just kind of hide it away. I'll use my scissors to kind of push the last bit of this yarn tail into the head of the owl. A little tip I saw before that someone used really works quite well. I usually use my needle, but using the scissors really it makes it quite a quicker process. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, and from my hook to yours, keep your knots merry and your colors bright.